Current AI computing demand is growing rapidly. Chip complexity continues to increase. The requirements for advanced packaging are becoming increasingly demanding. As glass substrates enable the next generation of advanced packaging, they overcome the limitations of conventional organic substrates and unlock a new level of interconnect density. Behind this transformation lies one critical process: precision coating technology. In panel-level packaging, temporary bonding layers, dielectric layers, and photoresist all rely on highly precise coating processes. Even the slightest coating defect can compromise package reliability and performance, or even result in the scrapping of high-value substrates. Powered by its self-developed slot die flat panel coating system, MANST precisely addresses these manufacturing challenges, enabling high-volume manufacturing for advanced packaging. First, high precision and high throughput, high accuracy substrate positioning, and warpage correction enable sub-micron precision coating. Coating uniformity deviation, 3%. Material utilization exceeds 95%. Designed for large area chips and multi-chiplet integration. Second, full panel size coverage. Supporting customized panel size from 300 ohm up to 800 mm and beyond. Third, in-house core technologies with precise process control, self-developed high-precision dispensing pump with a resolution of 0.01 ml per second and a response time of just 0.01 s, delivering precise coating volume control. Self-developed slot die coating heads with a maximum machining length of 4,000 mm, covering a wide range of coating process requirements. Fourth, stable process, reliable yield, dedicated vibration isolation, and frequency tuning design. Minimize coating vibration and substrate deviation, ensuring highly uniform coating across large area panels, reducing coating defects, and building a solid process foundation for high-yield advanced packaging manufacturing. Driven by the industry's transition toward larger panels and higher density packaging, MANST will continue advancing slot die coating technology, leveraging its fully in-house developed technology platform to deliver more reliable, more efficient coating solutions for panel-level packaging and empower the semiconductor industry to reach new heights.